Hey guys, we know that each new year provides us with new trends for our lifestyles and home interiors. But with all these annual switch-ups, sometimes it leaves us wondering, where are all these new trends even coming from? They have the potential to feel like completely arbitrary and randomized choices created by industries with their own agendas to push. But ever since the dramatic changes we faced in 2020, trends have come to us in a completely different way. Random became reason-based, and practicality took over, like we saw with the loungewear trend, based on our sudden shift to staying home and longing for comfort. Now, going into 2022, lifestyle and interior trends take everything the world's thrown at us in the past 2 years and finally make them truly our own. From multi-purpose spaces to nature-inspired textures, this year will be all about rebirth and renewal. Here are 4 of the top 2022 lifestyle and interior trends, and tips on how you can easily incorporate them into your lives and spaces with the help of Nanoleaf Elements. Nanoleaf Elements are smart lighting panels that transform your space with an inviting glow and chic wood grain texture. With the year's trends focusing on calming home elements, along with seamless and natural integration of connected technology, they really are a staple piece that hits all the areas that we'll be looking for in our lives and our homes. Now, let's get into the top 4 2022 trends. If you've found your kitchen or living room slowly turning into a makeshift home office, you're not alone. The 2022 take on hybrid spaces, however, focuses on making each area and room uniquely suited for our ever-evolving needs. The key to this is to use different functional decor elements to help provide your space with visual separation and segmentation. If the size of your space allows for it, you can try using physical dividers that provide separation, but then also conceal away when not in use to reunite the space. Versatile decor solutions are also perfect for this purpose. With Nanoleaf Elements, you can control the color temperature and animated motion of the lights to switch up the style based on your use case. For example, enjoy cool solid white lighting during work hours to help boost productivity, and then transition into a warm flowing glow when it's time for relaxation, allowing you to multi-purpose your space seamlessly between work and play. The past year's focus on constant mindfulness made us forget what it's like to not be worrying, not be planning, not be stuck in our own heads. 2022 revives the concept of peaceful nothingness with the idea of awaking rest. To live this trend, try making it a point to put your phone down after you finish watching this video and have a moment of calm. What's different about the waking rest trend is that rather than following prompts or utilizing mindfulness strategies, we're now taking the time to let our minds wander where they will and creating an environment that allows them to do so. Nanoleaf Elements' flowing light animations brings a sense of zen into any space. Throwing it back to our first trend of multi-purpose spaces, this means you can even enjoy a true moment of calm in a previously hectic environment. Of course, if possible, it's a worthwhile investment to carve out a space exclusively for yourself. But whether that be your personal bedroom or within a communal space, adding the gentle motions of Elements lighting effects with scenes like Sahara Night or Calming Waterfall can really make a big impact on helping you find that moment of inner peace. As we're decluttering our minds, we're doing the same with our spaces. This trend uses neutral colors and natural textures to create a clean, minimalistic, and unified look. As a departure from the bold patterns and vibrant colors of the previous year, this year's more neutral color palettes give a lighter, airy feel to our spaces. By incorporating natural textures like stone, clay, and wood grain, you can complete the look in a cohesive and timeless way. Nature-inspired decor pieces, like Nanoleaf Elements, are perfect because they have that sleek, minimalistic look, while providing that subtle hint of texture with their neutral toned wood grain finish. This wood aesthetic complements other design elements that you may already have around your home, like hardwood floors or Scandinavian-inspired pieces, for a fully unified, clean look that'll make your space feel comfortable rather than congested. Our fourth and final 2022 trend sees natural control and seamless connection of our technology within our homes. Rather than having endless innovation at our fingertips, this year favors intuitive and integrated interfaces that finally bring the present into the future. What that looks like is favoring things like voice control and automation over app control for a natural, hands-free smart home experience. No more cramped fingers with all that tapping. Updated smartphones transition from tap buttons to more intuitive swipe gestures to navigate between apps and pages, and now the technology in our home does the same. Nanoleaf Elements gives you the most natural control of your lights with touch reactivity. This allows for a freer form of gesture control by swiping up and down on the panels themselves to adjust brightness, or right and left to navigate between the different lighting temperatures and animations. You can also set schedules or use voice commands to set the perfect scenes for your lights completely hands-free. Try using Siri or Alexa to dim your lights to 50%, or change to your favorite scene to set the right mood. That way you can choose to use the mobile app or not. This year's tech trend for natural interfaces makes today's smart home technology feel more seamless and accessible than ever. And those are 4 of the top 2022 lifestyle and interior trends that are going to be taking us through the next year in a way that allows us to be flexible, mentally fit, minimal, and connected. Let us know which trend you're looking towards in 2022, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.